2009 proved to be another bloody year for media in Pakistan. The attacks gained momentum towards the end of year, as exemplified by the suicide attack on the Peshawar Press Club, media covering Muharram procession being brutally beaten up in Karachi, and now Dawn's correspondent in Hyderabad, M.H. Khan, being the latest prey.
Nothing new, and since it's an intolerant society by and large, then political activists get irritated.
According to a report by Intermedia, which is an Islamabad-based media development organization, of these 10 journalists, 4 were killed in Punjab, 3 in NWFP, and 1 each in the federally administrated tribal areas, Balochistan and Islamabad.
2009 has been just another one in a string of recent years where the casualty numbers have been high as regards the media.
Research revealed a total of 163 cases of direct attacks on media took place in Pakistan in 2009. This escalation in violence to an unprecedented level against the media was a strike against the Pakistani media's successful role in shaping public opinion against religious extremism.
Media is not somebody's stooge. Media is a plural for medium, which means how you convey your message from point A to B. Media just serves as a platform between the various sections of the society, and settling scores by physical attacks by anyone, least of all a political force, is not acceptable at all.
Punjab bore the brunt of these attacks with 54 cases, and the rising criminal activity took life of DawnNews correspondent Tariq Malik.
Given the nature of our profession, the probability of journalists getting injured as compared to the general public is much higher. We're exposed there out in the field when we're covering events.
NWFP was a close behind with 52 cases. Islamabad was the surprise third biggest victim of attacks on media with 28 cases.
The militants apparently were not happy with the way this whole war on terror was being projected and portrayed.
I was reporting from the front line in Sitwat, 5th of January 2009. We found our house into rubble.
Sindh recorded a total of 13 attacks with the latest on Dawn Media team.
They started beating me without putting me any question, but I definitely heard one of them telling me that how dare you ask question to Mumtaz Sahib.
When the blast occurred, people went badly violent. They start attacking us. We were not the only one. There were several cameramen and photographers who were beaten by the mob, and I was one of them.
6 each were recorded in AJK and Fata, and 3 in Balochistan.
No freedom of press in Fata tribal areas because being a tribal journalist, I tortured twice this year during performing my professional duty.
In the line of duty, a total of 10 journalists were kidnapped this year. Research reveals that over the past 5 years, at least 45 journalists have been killed in Pakistan. But this is the first time that the suicide squads of terrorists have attacked media directly, indicating the increase in the level of threats facing the media. Sitwat Reza Khan, Dawn News, Karachi.